All right, YouTube, I'm just bringing you in today for just a short video. I didn't plan on filming today, but I'm taking an engine apart and I found some engine damage I didn't know I had. And part of it, I would have never known I had it if I hadn't taken the top off this thing. So let me bring you in and show you what I'm talking about. I have an extra 787 here that I'm, as you see, I'm taking apart. I've got it because my boat over here has two 787s in it. My SPX in the back has a 787. So I've got this extra engine here, and so I'm taking it apart, checking it out, cleaning it up, and everything looks great. I mean, take a look at the pistons and even the cylinders. You can still see the cross hatching, clean looking pistons. Everything looked really good. The domes over here, really good, and really excited about what I was seeing as I was pulling this thing apart. But that ended. Let me show you real quick what I found. I got to the point of taking these jugs off, and I'd actually already removed this one, started on this one, and I saw this. And I'd seen this before, but you know, you get paint cracks on engines, so I thought no big deal. I didn't think anything about it. But as I'm really looking at it, I thought, you know, that looks like a crack. And so I'm blocking the light, so I'll get you in as close as I can. I don't know how well it'll focus, but right there at my finger, it is a crack. And it goes all the way down, as you can see right there. Totally missed it. Didn't see that before. But not only that, let me bring you around here. Take a look on the inside. Hope this light helps, maybe not. JB Weld, all the way down here. And this is not fresh, this is old, because it's actually coming out, coming apart and chipping away and falling down into the cylinder. So this isn't new, this is old. So the previous owner knew he had some damage here, and I guess that's why maybe he was getting rid of this thing. But here's what I think. I think this damage is because this wasn't winterized. So guys, if you're not winterizing your jet skis, at least for areas where it gets down into freezing or below, if you're not winterizing, this is what's going to happen to you. And you won't know until you get out on the water a lot of times, and you're going to be getting a water leak and coming out through here. So anyway, I got a question. Can I fix this? Can this be welded? And the reason I ask is I just found a welder literally 4 miles away. He fixed this pipe here that this plug was cracked and was leaking. He had never worked on a jet ski, anything jet ski before, so he told me if this didn't work, when I finally, you know, get it out on the water, to bring it back to him and he would fix it. So let me know, guys, any of you out there fixed a broken jug before? Just curious. I don't see really a lot of anything out on YouTube, so don't know and like to know if that's possible, or if I just need to start searching around and pick up a new cylinder. One other thing before we get off, I'm just curious, may not be a big deal, but you got your retainer ring here. Now your oil seal is supposed to be flush against this ring. This one I noticed is not, and I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's just on the inside, it's not flush with the retainer ring. So anything to be concerned about here? I mean, I'm going to pull this thing apart anyway, but I'm just curious if that's an issue. Should it be left alone like it is? Well, all right, guys, I appreciate you checking in with me on this, and I'd appreciate it. You chime in on my cracked cylinders. What's my options and what do I need to do here? I'm you know, I'm just thinking, since I don't really see anything with cracked cylinder heads, it probably means I need to start looking, right? All right, guys, well, I appreciate it. You joining me today. It is just getting warm enough now. It's like creeping up close to 50 today. So just getting warm enough to start working, get out here and working on these jet skis. So we'll have more stuff coming up, hopefully in the upcoming weeks as the weather gets better. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you later, all right? Thanks.